Realme GT Neo 3 is all set to get launched in China on 22 March 2022. But before the launch, we have all the specs of this upcoming Realme smartphone. We know that it is going to feature an AMOLED display of 6.7 inch with a punch hole front camera. Android 12 will come out of the box. If we talk about Realme GT Neo 3 processor, then it will feature MediaTek Dimensity 8100 processor confirmed by Realme China Vice President. It will come along with the latest Mali G610 MC6 GPU. If we talk about the battery, then there will be 150 watt fast charging 4500 mAh battery that will have a capability to get 50% charge within 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. See the claim of Realme in this GT Neo 3 video. Link in description. If we talk about the camera, then there will be triple camera set. On the front side, there will be a 16 megapixel punch hole camera. So that's about it about the Realme GT Neo 3 specs before the launch. That's all from now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.